In this video, we will try to set up the sample data in our lab environment. So for that, let's create a index with 3 indexes for our use case. For that, settings, indexes. Let's create 3 indexes. I'll name it like 1_idx, and let's keep it in search and reporting app. 2_idx, save. 3_idx, save. Okay, let's check if we have all the indexes. Yeah, we have 1_idx, 2_idx, and 3_idx. The indexes are created. Now let's log into universal forwarder and let's try to set up the sample data. For that, let's go to AWS console and connect to UF. Copy this SSH command. We can go to your git bash or command prompt. You can paste this. You have to do this like in place where you have the configuration files. Yes, we're logged into universal forwarder. Let me clear the screen. Let's switch to sudo Splunk user and navigate to temp directory and LL. So as you see, we don't have any script or data here. So first let's download the script. You can copy paste this command. This is a single line command. Then you'll see there is a generate logs s.sh, and then you can copy paste this change mode command. Yeah, now do ll again. You see there is a execution mode enabled, and then we have to enable a cron job for this. So you can copy paste this one. Don't worry if you are not understanding this command. These commands are like just to set up the sample data. So you scheduled it. Now if you do ll, so now the script is there. So basically this script is running every minute. So every minute we'll get the data. So let's wait for a minute. Yes, now the data got generated. So this will be on and on. So every minute like it will get generated. So now the data started getting generated into the file. So now we have to enable Splunk configurations which can then monitor these files, right? So for that I can copy paste this one. So in the inputs.conf you can create it. For now don't worry about it. You just do the process because this is sample data setup. If you're not able to understand, that's fine. So I'm entering. Here we already have some data which we were monitoring last time. Along with that you can copy paste these stanzas as well. I'm just clicking save, and we are trying to restart this, yeah, forwarder. Okay, so we have to exit. We have to restart the forwarder as a root user. So let's go log in as a root user, and then let's restart this. Please restart it. So now by this time we should start seeing the data in Splunk. So let's check this index in Splunk indexer. Let's go to the Splunk indexer UI here. Let's go and check the search and reporting app and index equal to 1idx. Yes, see the data started coming. And the same way if we go and check for index 2idx, yes we have the data, and same for 3idx. Yes, we have data. So the data continuously will stream like as and when like the data gets generated, it will get streamed. Now the lab setup has a sample data.